As someone who's battled with PCOS and struggled to manage my weight despite trying various diets, I've learned the importance of finding balance and nourishing my body with healthy, PCOS-friendly foods. So I'm excited to share some of my favorite recipes that have helped me on my journey to better health and managing my PCOS symptoms. For breakfast, I like overnight oats with Greek yogurt, berries, and chia seeds. For lunch, I like turkey wraps, and I'll just mix it up with avocado, lettuce, cucumbers, wrap it up, and take them to work. For dinner, I loved baked sweet potatoes topped with black bean salsa. And snacks, I love almonds and Greek yogurt with a honey drizzle, or some hummus with cucumbers and carrot sticks. And dessert, I love to make my own baked apple slices with cinnamon. And I can't give up my dark chocolate, so I always have to have some dark chocolate squares with raspberries. Let me know if you guys want to hear more recipes from me or from Noom to help you on your weight loss journey.